Oh gosh, I'm old. Oh, by the way, yeah, I know it's been a minute, right? But I can explain. I promise I can explain, okay? And here's what happened. So my cat came down with Down syndrome. And I need a new power steering pump. Woo! Ooh, I love this car, golly. Yo, stop snitching, bro. I really like you, and I want you to want me to. Oh, almost killed us. Sorry, lady. Gonna be honest, I have no idea where I'm going right now. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I'm gonna do something highly, oh, never mind. Golly. Do I go straight? Let's go straight. This way. Dead end. Bro, we gotta make a U-turn? Break. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Eargasm, bro, if I'm telling you. Videos will never do this car justice. I don't care what anybody says. I said I wouldn't disturb the peace, but oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh, my nipples are hard. Little first gear pull for you for the head top. Oh frick. 87 in Mexico, obviously. Come on, chill out. You know I would never break any laws. I'm gonna do something highly, oh, never mind. Oh shoot, I know where I am. And my AC was on the whole time. I'm down on power. Frick. Don't say anything to me about all the lights on the dash, okay? I know it's a Honda, I know it's supposed to be reliable, but, you know, shut up. I'm so sorry for what's about to happen to your ears, lady. love this car.